Hello everyone. So I just want to do a real quick overview of this PLUSINNO fishing rod. Now this is actually a bit of an odd review as I reviewed this exact fishing rod about 2 years ago. And I was really new to fishing, and I'd say I'm still pretty new to fishing, but back then I literally didn't even know how to use this thing. It was kind of ridiculous, and it's a little surprising because these guys just randomly sent me this fishing rod to review, so it's kind of awesome. In my previous video, if you watched it, honestly, I kind of didn't really know what I was talking about too much, and my main point was that the reason I didn't like it was that the screw from the handle fell off, and at first I actually thought that it fell off into the ocean and the fishing rod was ruined, and this is where the review left off. However, I did later find the screw in kind of the bilge area of my boat, and I used this fishing rod for about another 1.5 years until I accidentally stepped on it and broke it. Now, I'd say the fishing rod is actually pretty good quality for the price that it is, and I'm not sure how to comment about the screw falling off. Back then, I honestly had absolutely no idea how to use a fishing rod, and I'm not sure if it's really my own fault because it seems like a pretty simple fix. I mean, you could always just test just how tight the screw is. But ever since I made my original video, I did catch quite a few fish. I mean, I'm still a very novice fisherman, but I caught multiple bass, and I'd say the biggest piece of advice I have is that if you don't know anything about fishing, it's a good idea to buy the pack with the lures and the lines and everything. But kind of once you learn a little more, it might be better just to buy a fishing rod and then buy the pack of lines and lures separately. Just because you can kind of get what you want and for the type of fish that you're looking to find. I use this in New England, kind of the Boston area, out in the ocean. And basically it was just bass that I caught. I'm still kind of starting up fishing, so as I said, I'm still a novice fisherman, but I do know much more than I did at first. And after 1.5 years of use before I stepped on this thing and broke it, it honestly really didn't show many signs of wear. There wasn't any rust in it. It was always on my boat. I pretty much kept it outside. I used it in saltwater. It's been splashed, sprayed by waves. And considering this thing is like $35, I honestly think it was a good buy. And I'm not just saying this because they sent me this product. If you look at my previous review, you'll notice that it has quite a few downvotes, and I do kind of feel like it was a bad review. Obviously, you're not judging this by the same standards as a professional fisherman. You're not going to probably go out and catch gigantic fish with this. But if you're looking to get a fish, even a fish that you want to eat, not just kind of like a goldfish in a pond type fishing, this fishing rod will work. So if you're just trying to get into fishing, you don't want to spend a lot of money, you don't know what you're doing, you really can't beat a $35 fishing rod. I mean, this thing performed excellently for 1.5 years, except for that fact when I lost that one bit. If you want to see it extend, you can see my other video, but I mean, it's just a fishing rod. There's nothing particularly amazing. It will extend. And I never had any issues with it. One other simple note I just wanted to say is that this might be kind of a novice fisherman thing to say, but it's nice how the thing this fishing rod kind of comes apart in all different parts. The reel comes off, the handle, everything is kind of in some ways replaceable. So you're not just buying kind of like a budget pack for fishing that as soon as one thing breaks, this is a useless product. You can buy pieces to this. Everything is, once you unscrew this, the handle comes off. So if you buy 2 or 3 of these, they are a product that you can repair, maintain, and actually use for real fishing. It's not like a little kid toy for $35 that whoops, it broke and the end. And I do appreciate that. I kind of actually wish, I'm pretty sure I threw away the old one. I really hope I can maybe find the reel, but back then I really didn't know anything, and I just stepped on the thing and I was kind of annoyed, and I'm pretty sure I threw the thing away. But this is a good fishing rod. It served me well. I feel like my previous review was really just that I didn't know anything about fishing. So in the end, I actually ended up finding the original reel from the fishing rod I first had. I just wanted to show this. It's kind of an addition to the end of the video, but this has been out on the boat for 1.5 years. I pretty much just kept it outside. It got rained on. It got salt water on it. And I just want to show you guys the condition that it's in. As in, it looks like it's in good shape. I mean, it's kind of a testament to my reviews that, this thing isn't covered in rust. It's not all broken. Here it is. It's missing the handle. It still looks almost like new. And considering this is salt water, this is something to say. If this was just in a pond, maybe it wouldn't matter so much, but being out in the ocean, things just tend to fall apart.